Good morning, good morning. We're here in Studio City. As you can see, this is a hillside property. And the customers, Paul and Tabitha, they called us and they mentioned that from this area, they have water intrusion into the lower levels of the house. We're going to excavate and find out what's going on. Let's see. Okay, we excavated approx 5-6 feet below. We encountered 2 holes made by the gas line and the water line into the stucco and into the unit. We basically sealed those holes around from outside, from inside. We cleaned the area and now we are ready to apply waterproof. That's it for now. Okay, this is the end result. We had a leak from this corner into the house, water intrusion. We excavated 6 feet below. We encountered the holes, repaired, waterproofed, concrete the area. We installed also drainage that goes all the way there. You can see the wide spot. This is done.